It's an open floor plan in a small Class C. Hey everybody, Alex with Stop on Yellow. We're back. We got the Jayco Redhawk 24B. This is the 2026 model. So as you can see, it's a nice open floor plan style Class C. You got one super slide over on your driver's side that really opens up the space in here. And yes, you can still get into the fridge and the bathroom while this is closed. Got good sized kitchen space here. They redesigned the colors in here a little bit for the 2026. You got a little bit of a darker countertop here. The farmhouse white in the cabinets. Really great job as far as the interior accents to it. You got storage over here, so you got lots of drawers. There's a ton of storage in this unit as well. So all of this opens up. And then you got your one-piece undermounted sink here, stainless steel. And then down below you've got plenty of space for a trash can and even more storage. And then you got even more right up top here. Coming over to your microwave. This is a convection microwave, very good size as well. So you can definitely fit a lot of food in there. And then you've got more cabinetry right up top. 3-burner cooktop. And then looking down below, inside the oven, 12-volt refrigerator here. So you've got your Furrion 12-volt fridge, good size. Then you got your queen bed here. And then this is a split mattress. So this does flip up when the slide out comes in. So it goes just like that. And then there's a little bit of storage under here too. So you got some storage down there. And then this makes it a little bit easier to get at your back wardrobe storage too. And then that is your collapsible ladder for your overcab bunk up front as well. It's a 7.3 liter V8 engine in it too. And then you got storage drawers here. Same thing on the other side as well. And then down below you're gonna have your converter. This is gonna be your pretty much circuit breakers there. Then you got your fuses over behind that one. And then on the wall here you've got control for your HVAC system. So this is where you work your air conditioning and your heating. This is for your lights here, and then slide control here as well. And then you do have bracket for a TV over in this area. And then there are outlets and cable output, as well as a vent fan right over top of kind of the bedroom area here. More storage right back here. So all these cabinets up top do open. So these are all storage. Then emergency exit window right behind. Those windows do open as well. Coming over this way, you've got your pantry space with mirror on it. So you've got a lot of storage right in this guy too. You got 3 shelves there. This entire thing is storage and storage drawers below. If you're wondering where the microwave plate is, that's where it was. And these are deep drawers too. This goes up to about my elbow there and goes pretty far back there. And it's all 5-sided drawers too. And over this way, you've got pull-out drawers here too. So you slide right out. U-shaped dinette. And then there is 3 seat belts around this dinette. Also drops down to make another bed space. And then you can also spin this table around if you want more belly room on one side or the other. Overhead cabinetry as well. Coming towards your cab area, you've got 2 swivel seats here. And then you've got your Sony infotainment center right down there. This is the 4D450. This will have side view cameras and backup camera that displays right to your Sony infotainment center there. Over cab bunk rated for up to 750 pounds. So big kid, adult friendly. You can sleep 2 adults up here. Then you do have the lights right up top there. And your automotive bonded windshield on front, which does have a power shade, which is worked right over here. So pretty cool. Also up in your overcab bunk, you do have some cubby storage here. And then there are outlets and USB right back there with cup holders. Smart TV here that's on a swing out arm, so that will come out as well. And then this is kind of your entryway door here. Cabinetry up top. And then over next to your door, this is going to be for your generator start and stop. Another slide control right here. So you can either work your slide from here or in the back bedroom. Tank heater switch, water pump, and then your water heater there, which is gas and electric. Coming down the stairs, got more outlets here. This one does have the leveling option, so you work your leveling right from here. Then it does have the 200-watt solar panel option as well, so you can read your solar controller there. Awning button here, exterior light switch, and then your carbon monoxide and propane detector. And then just your 12-volt switch there. Try to get you guys a good view of the outside here. So you got large LED underlit awning. And then out here you got some storage. So you got a storage here with outlets. Propane is behind that one. You've got outside JBL speakers on here too. And then back of your furnace, back of your hot water heater, and then you've got two more smaller storages right there. So you can see it's all tinted, frameless windows on it as well. And all vacuum mounted fiberglass for your sidewall. Also features the Jayco J-Ride package. That's going to be rubber isolation mounts over the wheel wells, computer balanced drive shaft. There's a few other things that go into that J-Ride package. Back of the coach here, you've got your roof ladder. And then this is rated for 7,500 pounds towing. You already have the receiver and 7-blade plug back there. And then backup cameras mounted right in the middle. Over on your driver's side here, slide topper over your big wall slide out there. City water connection right here, and then your black tank flush for cleaning out your tanks. And you do have a city or outside shower here for with hot and cold water. And then right down below that is going to be your sewer offshoot. So that's where you're going to clean out all of your tanks. And then tank fill for your gasoline is right off the back here too. That's going to be another storage right down there. Unfortunately, I don't have the correct keys on me. So let's go down this way. We'll get a nice look at the front of it too. With Jayco's signature one-piece fiberglass front cap to it, so there's no seams over on your front cap. Less place for water to intrude. And this is the 4D450. Let's check out specs on it too. So your overall length on this guy is going to be 26 feet 8 inches. This has a dry weight of 11,822 pounds. So you can put about 2678 worth of cargo into here. And that would make your GVWR. Give you one more pan back through the interior to close some of these cabinets that I opened up. Also, you have your bathroom here. I don't think I showed that before. How can I forget that? So, decent sized shower. A little bit of a step up into it, but not bad. You also get a little hanging bar in here too, skylight. Then you got your medicine cabinet here, and then there is a window in your bathroom as well as a vent fan there too. Foot flush toilet, outlets in here. Yeah, pretty standard bathroom, gives you everything that you need. Yeah, that's just a quick overview of the 2026 Jayco Redhawk 24B. If you guys like the video, please like, subscribe. That goes a long way for me. And I'll be trying to post some more 2026 videos. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.